Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that we've all experienced at some point, anxiety. It's a noun, and it means a feeling of worry or nervousness. Let's explore this word together and understand how to use it in everyday life. To start, anxiety often describes that uneasy feeling when you're uncertain or worried about something. For example, you might feel anxiety before an important exam or when waiting for news about a job interview. It's a common emotion that can happen to anyone. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for anxiety. Words like worry, concern, apprehension, and nervousness can often be used in similar situations. For instance, instead of saying, "I felt anxiety before my presentation," you could say, "I felt nervousness before my presentation." Or, "She had concern about her friend's health" could replace, "She had anxiety about her friend's health." These words help us express similar feelings in different ways. On the other hand, antonyms for anxiety include calm, peace, relaxation, and confidence. For example, if someone says, "After finishing the project, I felt a sense of calm," it's the opposite of feeling anxiety. Another example could be, "Instead of anxiety, he felt confidence before the big game." In daily life, anxiety can come up in many conversations. For example, you might hear someone say, "I always feel a bit of anxiety when I fly." Or, "Her anxiety about meeting new people makes social events challenging." It's also common in expressions like anxiety levels or anxiety attacks, which are more specific ways to talk about this feeling. Let's look at a few sentences to practice. The thought of public speaking filled her with anxiety. He experienced anxiety while waiting for the results of his medical test. Some people manage their anxiety through yoga or meditation. To sum up, anxiety is a word that helps us describe a feeling of worry or nervousness that we all face from time to time. Remember the synonyms like worry and nervousness and opposites like calm and confidence to expand your vocabulary and better express yourself. Thank you for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show and join us in learning. Before you go, try using anxiety in your own sentence and share it as a comment. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.